What's happening, everybody? OG here, back with the second week of Resurgent Sparks pre-release. I swear, I'm going to say it again. If I get Indeedee again, I'm just going to concede everything. I didn't like Indeedee at all. So let's see how these packs in this deck goes for me this week. We got the Magneton, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna get that going here. Let's open some packs. See what we got some support here. There we go. That's a cool card. We got Tandemouse, Spoopa, Donphan, Fuecoco, Appleton, Iron Bundle. This here's Appeal, Feebas. Ooh, or Surlet. That's pretty cool. Or Surlet. He'd be pretty cool. Let's see. Get some stuff. Get some good stuff. Spoopa, Donphan, Fuecoco, Mantine, Annihilate, Gravity Mountain, Trio, look at that hair, beautiful. Lilion, Bronzong, Executor EX. Alright, we got some cool stuff. It's cool. So far it's been alright. Alright, here we go. Mantine, Bronzong, Dribbler, Wilbur, Sandy Gas, Zoomer. Yeah, okay. Gravity Mountain, Executor, Toddle, Exadrill, and Capulele. Kind of a meh. Let's see what that does. Last pack for this.
So there is a movie where it's Pokemon Heroes, where there is a
Bronzong, got a lot of those. Sandy Gas, Wilbur, Minimite, Clement's Quick Wit. That's cool. Tauros, Reduction Kit, Orangaroo's back. Charcadex, Terapagos. Prison Charge. You can deck up to 3 basic energy cards of any type. There's an attachment to your Terra Pokemon any way you like. Hey, that's actually a cool card. Basic 1 price Terapagos. Kind of a setup. It's cool. Alright, now we got this deck here. We got the Magneton, so we don't got that stupid Indeedee. Well, let's see what we got going this one. Got the Magneton, there's the Rebel, Magneton, Magnezone. Okay. Yeah. Snorlax, of course, Dustball, Gonzo, Luchin. Roll that. See that last one. Magnemite, Magneton, Moore, Snorlax. We got 2 of those, okay. Buddy, alright. Tapacoco. Alright, well that's pretty cool. So stay tuned, I'll show you a deck list after I get done. Alright, this is what I got for my deck. So I put together. Took a couple things out, put another Tapacoco. We got another Magnemite in there to help us out, so let's see how this does. Alright, round 2.
Yeah.
Round 2, you got your one. You won last turn?
I did.
Round, whatever.
It was pretty close. We were 1-1 on prices.
Oh yeah.
I gave him one of mine with the Magneton card.
I did that too. I didn't read it that well. I was like, oh, accelerators from booster pile, cool. And I read it, it's like, oh, it's not those. Oh, okay.
The reason I was kind of happy to give him one is because I could use reversal energy on my Magneton.
Yep, that's why. Yep. Yeah. So I won last turn, last round as well.
Yeah.
Did you get anything good out of the?
I got the Cereal GX.
Oh,
You know, I'll take an EX. You know, better than not that.
I got the Alolan Executor.
Ooh. I remember seeing previews of that when the set came out in Japan. Is it as fun as Alolan Eggs and Rowlet GX?
I don't think so. It's supposed to go in the Reggie Drago deck.
Ooh.
It's like heads or tails.
I'll do tails. Not the tails. I think I'm gonna go second.
Go second.
Yeah. Whose phone is this?
That is Greg's.
Okay.
That's Greg's.
I'll just leave it there. All right. Cut or tap.
I'll tap this.
I'll just tap whole game too.
There's that Executor. It's supposed to go on the Drago deck.
Ooh.
Accelerate energies, and then the second one is flip a coin. If heads, knock out if tails, knock out someone on the bench.
That is fun.
Yeah.
I like that. I think once this comes out on live, I'm gonna try to do something with this.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's going in my Drago deck.
I mean, it might as well.
Nice little fun little meme kind of thing going. Holy moly.
All right. Oh yeah.
Prizes. 4 prizes. There we go.
All right. You ready?
Yep. Good luck.
Good luck.
Hey.
Oh, you got the fancier version.
Yeah, this is one I pulled. I got one on the deck, and I pulled one in the packs.
I got a reverse hollow out of the packs.
Nice.
But, you know.
So I go first, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'll go. Let's put down the Magnemite.
I think our decks might be a little similar.
Might be.
Just a little bit.
Attach for turn. I'll pass.
All right. I will put Lucky Helmet on top of Coco and a Lightning on top of Coco. I'll do Summon Lightning.
Yep. So you got the Magneton promo.
I didn't get the Magneton promo. No.
Oh, which one?
Indeedee. For some reason, the deck came with Indeedee, and I'm just like, you know, you're not good,
No.
even in a pre-release.
No, I got Indeedee last week, but it was the grass and Quaxquavel.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the Indeedee.
Weird. I'm gonna get
Yep. Then I will draw.
All right.
I'll attach that for turn.
Oh, the cards got sideways.
I'm gonna go Lycia's Appeal. Switch one of your opponent's bench Pokemon, basic Pokemon, to the active spot. If you do, the new active is now confused. I'm putting that guy out.
Oh, not my slug.
Yeah. Right there, and I will summon Lightning.
Alright. Alright, what should I do here? I'm gonna draw for turn. I'm gonna put down Magnemite. I'm gonna evolve this Magnemite into Magneton. Let's attach a Grass Energy to Wilchin. And I'll pass.
Alright, I'll draw. Drop that. Let's evolve. I don't know which one I should do. I'll attach for turn. And Explorer's Guidance.
Alright.
Top 6. 4, 5, 6. Get to keep 2 cards, discarding the rest.
It's a really good deck, a really good card with the Wo-Chien and Rabska.
Yeah. Yes. What 2 cards do I want? Probably this one. And this one? Those 2. Let's alright, attach for turn. Let's go put a lucky helmet on him. Already attached and everything. And I'll just summon lightning in.
Alright.
Take 60 less damage from the water.
I'm just gonna do my draw for turn.
Yep.
I'll Dusk Ball.
Dusk Ball.
Oh, fun fact: you can use the. Apparently, this is does the same thing as the Diamond and Pearl one.
Yeah, I was just gonna say I was looking through some of my cards, my old cards, and I have like 2 of those old school Dusk Balls. I was like, oh sweet, they reprinted it.
I'll get a Relor.
I love that guy.
Yeah,
His face is kind of goofy, but cool Pokemon.
I didn't like him at first, and then what is it? I evolved him in Violet, and you gotta have him just constantly keep following you around.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, you're kind of chill.
You see the shiny?
I have
gold.
Yeah,
Pretty
just.
I know.
Discard Dusk Ball. I'm not getting my supporters. That is a big problem. I will attach a Grass Energy, and it is not worth potentially taking the 30 damage, and it's not worth you getting another 2 cards, so I'm going to pass.
Alright, I'll draw. Okay. I'll drop that guy down. Evolve that guy.
Oh, that's a nice promo.
That guy. Yeah, that's the promo I got.
I wish I got that one.
Alright, so I'll attach here. And I will prize. Prize count for 90.
Alright, 90. I'll draw. I'll evolve Relor into Rabska. I'll attach a Lightning Energy to Wo-Chien. I will try my best to have this work. Gotta get my. I'll attack with Entangling Whip.
Entangling Whip.
Please don't get tails. Okay, so 130 to you, and I discard the top 3 cards in my deck.
All right. Now I'll do the lucky helmet. Draw 2 cards.
All right, and I'll take a prize.
I know. Yeah.
Let's see here. All right.
Oh, shoot, I have them.
I'll bring up the zone.
Okay.
And I'll draw.
I don't want to get in the zone.
I would evolve that. Attach for turn.
That is so fun.
Drop that. I'm gonna pop this guy.
Alright.
Electric energies. Put 1 on him. Put 1 on him. And I will Mighty Magnetism for 80.
Alright. Bye bye, Wochian. Alright. Draw for my turn. Oh, buddy Poffin.
Buddy, I got one of those.
Let's see. Oh, I guess I just got Tapu Koko, so I'll get that.
It has to be 70 HP or less.
Oh, yeah, never mind. Sorry about that. I'm gonna fail it then.
Yeah, this deck only came with 2 Magnemites.
Yeah.
I got 1 out of the pack. So I was able to get 3. I had 2, 2, 2. Or 2, 3, 2. Flying. I was like, what is this?
Well, you knocked out 2 on the bench.
Should I do? I'm gonna attach a Grass Energy to Magneton. And I'm gonna summon Lightning.
Summon Lightning. Oh, yeah. Getting those big boys.
Gonna get those 2.
Yep. Now I'll draw. Oh. Ooh, Shin. How many cards do I have out there? Attach for turn. And our Professor's Research.
Alright.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I just picked some really good. Guess my alternative is.
So I'm gonna Hyper Splash 120.
Yeah.
All that. I don't want to do nothing else. So I will Zap Cannon for 180. During my next turn, this Pokemon can't use Zap Cannon.
Alright. So I take the 2 cards from Lucky Helmet.
Yep.
I'm gonna send up Magneton. I'm gonna revolve this Magnemite into Magneton.
Yep.
Evolve this one into Magnezone. I'm gonna Overvolt Discharge this Magneton.
Alright.
So I got 2 in here.
Yep.
Alright.
Are you gonna knock him out?
I'm gonna use Reversal Energy.
Yeah, you knocked him out though, right?
Yeah. Sorry. I forgot to discard it. I was like waiting for you to take your prize card, and I was like, oh wait, I need to discard my Magneton. Now I'm gonna put down the Reversal Energy.
Yep.
And I will Zap Cannon.
Alright.
Yeah.
I think I can do it. I'll draw. Well,
Okay.
buddy, see what I got.
Good game.
Counter turn for 240. Good game.
I was.
That was close.
Yeah, I should have. I was too focused on the Wochian that I forgot about the Relor and Rabska.
Oh yeah.
I was like, oh, there's no way you can get the like even if you got the Wochian, I don't think you would have been able to knock me out with that. Maybe. How much extra damage does it do?
The Mochi? 130.
Oh, never mind. It does 120 damage to 2 of my bench.
Yeah.
Okay.
It does
So
120 and 120 or 20.
I
120,
I had initially thought it just did an extra 120.
Yeah.
So Yeah, no.
That one.
There wasn't any way for me to win that, but at least I got us down to 1-1 again.
Yeah, pretty cool.
I lost.
Oh,
I got
It was another 1-1 game.
crowd was bad.
Well, the crowd is gonna.
round 3.
The crowd was cheering for Garrick on that one.
All right, round 3. And look who we have here. Playing against the Shoey.
How's it going, guys?
Both went 2-0. So we're in the final rounds.
Find
See how it goes.
Yeah. See if Brad built a decent deck this time, like he always does.
Yep, won the first round. Didn't record the first round. There was someone that wanted to be on camera, so. But second round we got.
You know what I'd love to try before rotation?
Yeah, I think you and I are probably the only 2 old people.
Yeah, I think so. Tails.
We'll go tails.
His heads. I'll go second. Everybody's been going second against me.
Yeah, I've been going. I went first last time,
There we go.
but I started out with Latia, so
Okay, I'm gonna put a rare candy.
I'll try to go second. No basics.
hold on. 5, 6, 7. I do have 1 basic.
Cassoberry. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
And then I'm gonna play Forest Guidance. Top 6 cards. Cards.
3, 3, 1. I got a basic.
You do?
I do.
All right, I will take my 1 mulligan then. Okay.
4 prizes, 40 card decks.
All right.
All right, good luck. Hey, the 2 psychic Pokemon you put in your deck.
There's 1 more.
Or how I
I don't remember what it is though.
That's cool.
I can bounce.
Attach and pass.
Yes, all right, I'll draw. Let's put down the Lucian. Let's put down the Magnemite. Let's attach for turn.
Is it 400 or 500?
Let's use. Let's go Lacey. I need a new hand.
4 cards.
I didn't want to wait until.
I take a prize.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're going to be how many cards down already. Of course, I mean it helps you with the Lucian.
Yeah, we'll help me with the Lucian. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wish I could do that. I mean, I have a Lacey in this deck, but I don't really want to get rid of what I got in my hand.
And let's summon lightning.
I'm sorry, what did that do?
Search my deck for 2 lightning Pokemon, put in my hand.
Magnetite and Magnetite?
Go right there.
Or Magnetite and Magnetite?
Right there. And be your turn.
Alright, draw for turn. Oh, that's the other psychic Pokemon.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, all 3 psychic Pokemon out there. That's cool.
Yes. For 40.
I had to. It's a it's a legendary.
Yeah.
I had to. Double draw for 2?
Double draw for 2.
Okay, I can live with that.
I'll draw.
Basic energy on my guy.
Let's evolve, evolve.
Rare candy. Evolve back to my.
Let's attach an energy to Lucian. Professor's Research. 7.
Got rid of the magnets.
Yeah. That's not good. Well, buddy.
Aw, I'm sorry. You want to play another one?
Let's grab that guy. That guy.
Yeah, you really just been working it. Yeah, like what are you supposed to do?
Did you attach your turn yet? No.
Yeah,
Oh, you
I
did,
got
okay.
totally stopped.
Buddy. And I will summon lightning.
Yeah.
Alright. Draw for turn. Alright. Put down Zarude. Let's go ahead and attach the lightning. And we'll go Cybolt for 60. And we're paralyzed.
I'll draw.
Does 60 damage too.
No, it's fine. I'm sorry. I was starting putting my discard.
There.
Got it.
There.
I play too much the online client. Yeah.
Attach for turn.
Yeah.
And
I don't think.
let's go Dusk
Okay,
Ball.
there we go. Got a basic, I suppose.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And
Any
maybe like
Pokemon.
Yeah.
I have.
I pulled a red wall, you pulled it.
There we go. And I will pass.
Sure. And put Snorlax down.
Snorlax down.
Attached it to Latios or Latias or whatever, whichever one it is. Latios.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And Cybolt.
Alright.
Okay, top 7, I can reveal Pokemon trigger card. I find
I'll
there.
to Wushin. And I'll draw. Let's attach an energy.
Very common. Yeah.
And I will Entangling Whip for 130. Discard top 3 cards in my deck.
Go with Latias. Draw for turn.
And
We'll put the lucky helmet down.
that would be
We're gonna attach return. Go to buddy. For Magnemite.
I think
Magnemite.
I haven't even seen
Mega.
Where are the
What
stadiums?
does this guy do? Latias. Adios. No.
I really wish you didn't wish of all those Rellers last turn, but
I have. Oh, very good.
lazy.
Yep.
You got 3 pads, so I got 8 cards. Six, 7, 8.
I'll play Lazy.
Alright.
Draw 4 cards.
So we'll go ahead and use.
Use very fun for Lazy.
I'll use Jet Headbutt.
Huh?
Or sorry, can't use Jet Headbutt. Skill dive will do 50 to that round.
This one?
Yep, might as well.
the only way to get there.
Alright.
What else they gave us for?
I think you got it.
I got it.
You heard you. Yeah, you got it. Because you can knock that out and then you can use hat to discreet next turn.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'll draw. Let's attach for turn.
Nice. Okay, I'm on it.
And a tailing whip.
Draw 2 for the lucky helmet.
That's fine. Yeah.
Draw for turn. The Lively Stadium. I don't know how well it's gonna help me though.
What was I doing?
Heal 30 damage. Alright, yeah, so it's each basic Pokemon I play both yours and opponents gets 30 extra HP.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So you have 160, I have 90.
90.
Doesn't matter though, because I still got 100. Oh, hold on.
And I'm going to use prize count for.
Go overall charge for electric. Attach the electric here. Attach the grass here. And I'll attach the psychic here.
How'd you do that?
Huh?
How'd you do that?
Yeah.
His ability.
It knocks him out.
Oh, yeah.
And it's electric energies only.
No, just 3 basic energies attached to your electric Pokemon.
Okay. And you knock him out?
Yeah, I'll knock him out. Not that it matters because you're going to knock anything out.
That's a lot of fun. Oh, yeah.
Below that.
Well, it's, again, don't it's problem. I know. You have a big business.
Okay, I'm just going to use.
My turn?
Yeah.
Prize count for 90.
I used it to attack. Oh, wait. Yeah, well, I can't attack anyways.
Let it. Yeah.
Why does knock him out with that? Oh, he has 160.
Yeah, but you can knock any of them.
This doesn't do it 120 to those guys.
Well, you can knock this one out.
Oh, yeah.
Because he's only got 100. It's an evolution.
That's fine. Bring out the Rapska. 240.
Either way,
There's my other Ming zone I was looking for.
there's a stun pisk I needed.
Bam.
Yeah.
So, OG goes 3 in a row.
I had a Magnezone. I had it.
And I'll use prize count.
So that was pretty cool.
Magnezone with the reversal.
Yeah, you could have used that. So that is it. Stay tuned for some more pack opening. You can see what we got in the backs.
OG and Chewy just finished up the pre-release. We got some packs to open. We got 2 Series 5 prize packs. And then it looks like 3 of the Surging Sparks booster packs. Started with a prize. Yeah, we also got that promo World Championship Pikachu. I'm gonna start with a prize pack. So, you got the Ancient Booster Capsule, Super Rod, Professor's Research, Shiny Explorer's Guidance, and TM Evolution.
Not bad.
No, not at all. Could use that TM Evolution in some of the new decks.
So I'm gonna open my first prize pack. I got first place in the tournament.
Can I get a refund? I got a pile of sand in my bag.
So let's see what we got here. Look at that. We got Defiance Band. We have Lost Vacuum. Sky Sealstone. Ooh, Arvin. Can't have more Arvins. Klefki, I can use that. And the energy.
Alright. My second prize
I can
pack.
use that Klefki.
Yeah, second prize pack. We have Lunatone. Fighting all lit. Or all whatever. All late. Max Caliber. Woo. Shiny Lightning. And Kyogre. Oh, good energies.
Alright, last prize pack. Ultra Ball. Buddy Buddy. Oh, I love the Buddy Buddies. Price's Research. Moonlit Hill. An Ancient Booster Capsule. Alright. That's pretty cool.
Alright, first Surging Sparks pack. It has Pikachu on the front. Hopefully I get the Pikachu.
Yeah,
Chances of that happening, not very likely, but we'll see what happens.
we'll see.
Didn't have many hits last week. I had one Hydrapple EX. That was it. See you later. That was a Flygon EX. Yeah. Ooksy. Charcadet. Smoochum. Skarmory. Appleton. Iron Bundle.
I got 3 X's and like 2.
Lucia's Appeal. Switch one of your opponent's bench basic Pokemon to the active spot.
Confused.
If you do, the new active Pokemon is now confused.
I used that today.
Sandygast. Charcadet.
Charcadet.
And single prize Terapagos.
Yeah, I got one of those. All the Max. That's cool.
Yeah, it has a Prism Charge. Search your deck for up to 3 basic energy cards of different types and attach them to your Terra Pokemon any way you like. And then Hard Tackle for 3 does 100.
Alright. I got the Eevee for my Sylveon that I got last week. That's pretty cool. Execute for my Executor that I got there. Cast Form. Sunny Form.
Sun Form.
Mess Spirit. Leosa's Appeal.
Yeah, you got Mew Spirit, I got
Tauros. Hey, look at that. Techno Machine. Right. Okay, that's cool. Morlo. Alright. Drasna. And the Skeledirge. See what this TM is.
How much later are you going to take?
Discard all energies from this Pokemon and heal all damage from each of your Terra Pokemon. Ooh. That's pretty cool.
Alright, second Surging Sparks. Got the Arcturalodon on it. Let's see what we got. We got the Alolan Diglett. Steel. Caspakid. Larvesta. Sumeru.
Zumaro.
Gravity Mountain. Regular Executor. Ooh, and an Ace Pack. Amulet of Hope.
Or are you using the code?
Koraidon. Dialga.
If the Pokemon's card's attached to is knocked out by damage from an attack of your opponents, search your deck for 3 cards and put them into your hand.
Not a bad one at all.
Not bad.
And then the Gravity Mountain. Each stage 2 Pokemon, both yours and your opponent's, it's 20 HP. And that's the only stage 2 Pokemon, so that would be like the Charizard.
Delmi, Sea Titan, Shuro, Rufflet, Miraidon. Cyan Rono, maybe? My House Stick, Dust Ball, and Kilowattrel EX.
Kilowattrel?
Kilowattrel.
Well form Wattrel?
Yeah, what does he do? Search this Pokemon, or switch this Pokemon with one of your bench Pokemon. If you do, attach up to 2 basic energy cards from your hand to this Pokemon. 40 times the number of electric energies attached to this Pokemon. Free retreat. That's actually not bad. That's pretty cool. That's actually
Alright.
Pokemon.
Hopefully we got some last pack magic here with the Surging Sparks. It's Latios and Latias.
Last pack magic.
We got Sigilif. Duraludon. Sizzlepede. Yamask. Wuchin. Meddling Memo. Your opponent counts the cards in their hand, shuffles those cards, and puts them on the bottom deck. If they do, they draw that many cards.
In the Castlevania
Be good if you have like 2 cards in your hand.
right now.
Magneton. Got tons of those from the pre-release. Steel. Haldean Tauros.
Fighting.
And the Rapska.
Have plenty of those.
So the Amulet of Hope is the best one I got.
Alright, what we got here? A Cryogonal. Uxie. Char Cadet. Smoochum.
There you can see the heads out.
Haldean Tauros, the fighting one. Bruxish. Turtonator. I like that guy. Boufflant. Yeah, cool. Another Turtonator. And Flamigo EX.
Flamigo?
What does he do?
I didn't think that Pokemon was strong enough to have an EX.
It's a Halusha type, man. It's if this Pokemon and your opponent's active Pokemon have the same amount of energy types with this, it does 100 more damage. Brave Bird 200, 30 to itself. That's not bad.
Not at all.
Flamigo, I didn't know he had an EX.
Oh, nice.
Flamigo.
Got an ace back. Pulled
I got the Kilowattrel.
nice.
He's pretty cool.
I pulled a full art surfer.
Hey, that's a surfer. So those are the cards we got from this tournament. Looks pretty good, did pretty good. Yep. Leave a like and subscribe, comment down below. That's it.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us.